A very common complaint which my patients tell me is regarding cracking of joints. So cracking of joint can be either in the knee joint or hip joint or back, or it can be in the small joint of the hand or foot. Cracking can be either normal or abnormal. Normal cracking is usually painless and we do it in daily practice. Whenever we are sitting, we tend to crack our knuckles. If you are persistently getting pain or discomfort, consult your orthopedic surgeon immediately to find out the cause. It can be either a cartilage loss or arthritis or injury to the tendon or ligament. Accordingly, the treatment is needed in the form of regular physiotherapy, good pain relief, lifestyle modification, or surgeries in some cases.